Karthika, an HMS developer from Huawei India Research Center. Welcome to Develop with HMS Code. Today, I am going to explain about Huawei Computer Graphic Kit and show its integration steps. Computer Graphic Kit offers cutting-edge computer graphic capabilities including CG rendering framework, plugin system, and GPU extensions. It allows you to fully tap into hardware performance potential and makes the development of high-quality apps easier. In this video, we will discuss about GPU extension. There are two types of GPU extension, Smart Cache and Vulkan-based pre-rotation. These are provided to reduce GPU overheads in specific scenes, promising reduced power consumption and higher performance. Now, let us get coding.
Go to the created project in App Gallery Connect. Set the data storage location. Add SHA-256 certificate fingerprint. Download agconnectservices.json file. Add agconnectservices.json file under app directory. Verify the package name that was mentioned in App Gallery. Open project level build Gradle file. Add the Maven repositories under build script and under all projects section, add the class path. Open application level build.gradle file. Configure NDK filtering items. Add the CMake option under external native build. Open the Android manifest file. Add the gless version. In the Java code, load the native library. Declare the native methods. Create a class extending GL service view. Implement EGL config chooser. Implement GL service view.renderer. Set the EGL context factory, EGL config chooser and GL service view.renderer. Call EGL create context. Set the RGB value and EGL config specifications. Get the number of minimally matching EGL configurations. Allocate and then read the array of minimally matching EGL configuration. Check the least depth size and stencil size bits. Pass the width and height to draw the image. Open the .cpp file. Define the target of textures. Call the glgetString function to query the extension provided by the platform. Call glTextImage2D function to allocate memory. Open the CMake file. Add the library. Provide the relative path of source file. Set the name of path variable. Specify the target libraries. Now the coding is completed.
Let's try it out. To do that, open newly installed app in the home screen. It draws a rectangle which uses the GPU extension of Computer Graphics Kit to allocate the memory type and move the memory into Smart Cache to improve the read or write speed. Well, that's all for today's episode. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments area below. or visit Huawei developer website and be sure to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.